Díodit, no, díhuit a hara. Ceart go leor, déanaimis sé seo. Is mise Siné. Tá mé agus mise beagnach mar an gcéanna. Ainm, mó ainm, manam. Cad is ainm ditch? Is é Siné manam Éireannach. Is é Jeanne manam Astrálach. Is é Jeanne manam Francach. Is é Zhanna manam Ucránach. No, níos simplí Siné is anam dom. No, Siné is anam dú. Dom no dú. Far, ban, dragon. Is dragon viren ei? Viren. Is a Fred a anam? No, Fred is anam do. Do agus a is an isonan do. No, do agus a isonan do. Is a Fred a anam sasanach? Níla anam I nélige ólas agam. Is dragoon freshen? Is dragoon é seo freshen? Is dragoon é seo freshen? Is dragoon banan seo? Banan I seo? Is dragoon banan I seo? Is a ashling a hanam? Ashling is anam D. Do agus I isanan D. Is caraja ed ashling agus Fred? Is dragoon é seo freshen? Freshen no foster? Is a junho anam? Junho is anam do. Is a junho anam koreach? Is caraja ed ashling? Ashling? Fred agus junho? Ach, is caraja specialta ed ashling agus Fred? Is I ashling Kylene Fred? Is a Fred bochu ashling? Siné don line you slangafol.